Many people enjoy a sweet treat from time to time, which is why we hope our dessert-themed August monthly app challenge will be a treat for you from the Mac team. For the duration of August, you will have the opportunity to create your own baking simulator app, and a shell application with basic features will be provided. As the month goes on, you will be able to make modifications and improvements to your game. These can range from modifications like changing the appearance, or expanding on existing features, or even adding entirely new ones. Certificates and prizes will be awarded to the participant who submits an app that shows strong technical as well as creative design skills. Live workshops will be available every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for chances to learn more about the app and how to customize it. So participate in the August Monthly App Challenge and make a submission before the month ends. For more information, please visit our website, and if you have any additional questions, join our Discord server.